I happen to know her opponent, Shawn Teere. He is a well-respected, very experienced, strong opponent who not only just released a poll showing that he's ahead, but he has severely outraised her. I literally spent the day yesterday before this stuff was leaked working on the endorsement of him on Monday.
Oh my God.
Whoops. Judge Lina Hidalgo blatantly campaigning for a Democratic ally on county property, as well as the taxpayers' dime and media platforms. And it was no slip-up. In addition to campaigning for Mr. Teere, Hidalgo engaged in campaigning against sitting District Attorney Kim Ogg.
She is the single biggest obstacle to smart public safety and fair criminal justice in Harris County.
Good grief. Hidalgo went on to encourage Democratic precinct chairs to formally admonish Kim Ogg as she pursues re-election. Talk about your blatant violation of Texas ethics laws. Apparently, Houston Attorney Mark McCaig felt the same way and filed a complaint with the state panel. As our good friend Holly Hansen has ably reported, using an elected office to engage in political advertising is a crime in Texas, as is misuse of government property. Take it from there, Holly.
Wow, you have to wonder who vetted this speech that she made from county property and that was live streamed on county resources. So it was on the official county judges' social media accounts. It was live streamed. They have taken it down. Mark McCaig files this complaint. The irony is that she had this press conference to respond to new search warrants into she and her staff regarding the COVID vaccine outreach contract. This is pretty open and shut. There's a complaint pending with the Texas Ethics Commission, and now the Texas Rangers are all investigating this issue as well. Not hard to investigate this one. The evidence is right out there in public, including on the Fox 26 website.
All right, Gary, if Hidalgo called and asked for legal advice on this, what would it be? Does that look pretty blatant?
Shut up. Right. Don't talk. You're just digging yourself in a hole. Look, she's going to get it. I still think she's getting indicted on the first case. I think she's going to get indicted on this one. She didn't do Shawn Teere any favors. I think I would say she's misrepresenting the facts. I guarantee you she doesn't know Shawn Teere from Adam. They have met him once. And, you know, he was a good prosecutor. But Kim's got a record she can run on. And the criticism is that she wasn't left-wing enough on crime prevention, and that she tries to enforce ethics laws that the voters say they want to see done. So, you know, she is beyond a joke at this point. She really needs to just go away.
All right, we've got some results from our Sunday survey, and 93% of you say just enforce the laws we have. Do you agree with that, Bill?
Yes. You know what I find amazing about this? The more I hear Hidalgo talk, the more she sounds like Donald Trump to me.
I mean,
I mean, let's attack the prosecutors.
Yes.
Let's just, I mean,
witch hunt.
You know, it's just, you know, I'm being persecuted, and then let's go out and get the prosecutor who's prosecuting you and your staff. Let's go make sure they get unelected and replaced with somebody that will dismiss all these charges against me and my staff. I mean, come on, this is just
okay,
absurd.
but Kim didn't investigate her. The Texas Rangers.
That's true.
R-A-N-G-E-R-S, who works for ABBOTT. That's who investigated you, not Kim. They did. They the ones found the crime. They the ones said you should be in that. What is wrong with you? It wasn't her. And I did not see this video, girl. I ain't see this video. I swear. I'm just seeing it for the first time. You have lost your mind. You cannot use county dollars to get up there and perform like you did. And whoever said it was okay for you to say that, they lied to you.
All right, Paul Castro, jump in here.
Yeah, I'm beyond disappointed. My experience with Hidalgo is one where she says one thing and does another. You know, my daughter and I went to an event, and Hidalgo came with a camera, and that was the only real time she ever paid attention to the situation that involved crime. I think that a lot of the things that involve crime locally are being pushed under the rug, and we're being told, like, this isn't a thing, this isn't a thing. Bill took my line. I think she's behaving more like Donald Trump. I think she's trying to stop the prosecution but through political effort. and I think that's wrong, and the city of Houston, Harris County deserve better.
All right, Holly, let's go back quickly to the precinct chairs. That's moving, that process is moving forward, right?
Right. So the Democratic Party here in Harris County is looking at passing a resolution that admonishes Kim Ogg. It's not a censure, so they're trying to say it's kind of a milder way of saying they don't approve of her policies. It very narrowly passed their steering committee last night and will be taken up by the full complement of the Democrat Party chairs, I think in a week or so. But, you know, part of the complaint is that she's willing to investigate elected officials who happen to be members of her own party, which Kim Ogg is the chief law enforcement officer of Harris County. We would want anyone in that position to pursue corruption wherever it is.
All right, you know, Gary says if I can agree with people on 80 or 90% of stuff, they're my ally. I can figure it out. We're going to talk more in the next segment.